Hey guys, so guess what? I am in Ghana and this is a very requested video. How to make party jollof or jollof, Ghana jollof, yummy. Ghana jollof, yummy. Nigeria jollof, Julia jollof. So I'm about to make my famous Ghana jollof and I'm gonna take you along, show you everything that we are working with today. I keep looking here instead of here when I'm doing a selfie one. So quick one, I'll show you everything that I have. So what we have here is the meat. I have chicken, I have a bit of goat, and I have beef. Yes, so this is the meat that I have, and I have bay leaf in it. I've got a salt. Yes, and then here on this side I have my ginger, my garlic, my onions, and I'm just gonna put in a bit of fennel seed. Fennel seed is everywhere, so you can get fennel seed. And I'll blend. I have rosemary. I'll put in a bit of rosemary. I will list everything that I'm going to use in the description box. Sorry about the noise. In goes my rosemary. Gonna put in chicken season. In goes my mixed spice from Ghana. This is local spice, so every spice that we have in Ghana, that is in there. To blend. In go chicken. Just gonna get a bit of water and put it, rinse it and put it on it. Mixing everything together, cover it, let it cook, and then when it's done, I'll show you the finished product. Hey guys, now look at this chicken. The aroma in this kitchen is amazing. Look at that. Nice, so lovely. Just a few more minutes to go. So now the chicken, the meat, assorted flavor meat is done, and I'm taking it off, and we're going to fry, deep fry, KFC style. Yep, guys, so this is the stock I'm going to keep from my meat, and I will add that in the jollof. Oh my goodness, do not throw this stock away. This is your gateway to a delicious, tasty jollof rice. Okay guys, so what I've done is I've coated my chicken, and I'm just going to fry the chicken. Okay guys, so my chicken is in. I've got a bit of bay leaf and garlic. I got this tip from my dear sister who is also on YouTube here, Prim and Proper. I got it from her. If you haven't seen her channel, please go and visit her and give her a shout out. So this is my chicken. Okay, chicken is almost done. Look at the lovely stuff going on there. I wish you guys can smell the aroma that is going on here. This smells so good, so good. Guys, I'm sure you have not seen this in a while. This is crow pot. This is one of our favorite. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm pre-cooking the tomatoes. If you're using processed tomatoes, you don't need to do it, but because I'm using fresh tomatoes, that's why I'm pre-cooking it. So I will cook it to, I will just make it simmer just down to just like a paste, Yeah, that's how I'm doing it. I will make it into a paste, and then using it will be very, very easy and quick. Hey, be quiet. I want to revisit my roots and cook the authentic way. It's called crock pot. Guys, this is party jollof, so my onions are a lot. I love onions. If you cook with a lot of onions, your food will taste better. And I do prefer the red ones. Yeah, it makes the food really, nice. I think so. So that's what I'm going to make my stew with. Yeah. Hey guys, so it's stew time, and we are keeping everything in. Don't let anybody tell you to take this out. This is not good. It's all part of the stew making. That will make your stew flavorsome. So first of all, put in our chopped onion. So after this, we put in the blended onions. So we just wait for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then we put in the blended one. Guys, just a quick update on my tomatoes. Look, it's almost done. See how thick it's becoming? That's how you want it to be. Like I said, if you're not using fresh tomatoes, you don't need to do this step. You can skip it and do your normal process. I did not mention to you, I've got my pepper in there. So the pepper is your own choice. You can go for as many as you want or as little as you want, as long as your taste buds can stand it. That's all you want. So I've got my peppers in there. Now my tomato paste is done, and I'm going to take it off the fire. Okay guys, so we are building all the flavors. I'm putting in bay leaf. So you need to build your flavors. If your jollof is going to be nice, it will start with your stew. Your stew is the most important thing in making your jollof tasty. Then we put in our mixed spice. At this time, you can put in any blended spice that you like. You're just building on the flavor. That's it. Blended onions is a lot of onions, but remember, this is party food, so we need it to be lovely. Okay, so guys, just leaving this to simmer down, maybe about 10 to 15 minutes to just simmer down, and then I'll catch up with you later. Like I said, the best way to make your jollof is in your stew. If your jollof is going to be delicious, your stew has to be banging, and that's exactly what we are making. So guys, see, our onions is coming to life. You need to do this. Let's give it another 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes to simmer down a bit more, and then we put our tomato paste in it. So it has to be tasty tom. If it's not tasty tom, we don't want to know. Now my tomato paste is gonna go in. In goes my tomato paste. Like I said, if it's not tasty tom, you don't want to know. Okay, and I'm just going to leave this to simmer down for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I put in my tomato paste that I made earlier on. Yeah. So guys, like I said, I always build on my flavor, so I'm gonna put in 1 Maggi shrimp cube. This is how our tomato paste is looking like. You see, this is what I want. And now I'm just gonna put in my the tomatoes from earlier on. And now our stew is done. Yeah, now our paste is inside. I'm just gonna put in all my seasons. Any season of your choice, go ahead and put it in. At this moment, your stew will be smelling like heaven. You know how heaven smells like? That's how your stew should be smelling like. So this is our seasonings that is going in there. My nutmeg, curry powder, and shrimp powder. If you don't have the curry powder, that's fine. You can, take that out. But nutmeg has to go in your stew. Is a must. And I always prefer the whole one. I don't like the, ready-made one. So that's all my seasonings going in. Now, just the last bit is the stock. And our stew is done. Last but not the least for the stew is our stock. Look at that. That is going to be so flavorsome. Flavor. Going to leave the stew to simmer down. Once we see the oil popping up, that means our stew is done. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are you viewing what I'm viewing? Our Ghana jollof stew is ready. This is what you want, the oil to settle at the top, and that means your jollof stew is done. Look at that. Now you can eat anything you want with this, as long as you can eat plain rice, banku, kenke, anything with your stew is good for your jollof, and your jollof will be banging. This is what I wanted you to know. So thank you so much for watching my jollof stew making, and the next video will be the official jollof, Ghana jollof, yummy. Ghana jollof, yummy. Nigerian jollof with it is funny. Bye guys, thank you for watching.